What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today I wanted to do some self-care, which is basically like my pamper routine on crack, like diving deeper than my pamper routine. So my pamper routine, I pretty much do that every Sunday, like my beauty maintenance, but my self-care routine is like when I really want to just shower myself and go deeper. So I'm going to be doing some facials today. I'm also going to be changing my brows. I'm really, maybe it took a long time for it to click in for me, but I'm realizing that shorter brows are in. They're going to make your face look more lifted. So I'm actually going to be trimming off the tails of my brows today, and we'll do that on camera. I don't know if you guys can hear the birds chirping, but it's a mood, it's a vibe. I cracked the window open a little bit so I can hear the birds chirp while I do my self-care. First things first, my hair is mad greasy, so let's wash my hair and do some self-care. I have been absolutely loving this hair mask. It's so nourishing. It really helps my hair brush out easier after my shower and keep it tangle free and silky and smooth. I usually keep it in for about 5 minutes and then rinse out. I absolutely love using this foot shaver at home. It just gives you a little mini pedicure and has your feet all nice and smooth. After the shower, I am putting a face mask on, and I absolutely love this one. It deep cleans my pores so well. It does have a little bit of a tingling, burning sensation, so keep that in mind, but I love it. I'm gonna wear that on while I take a bubble bath. I do love the Think Sport bubble bath. It's a really nice clean option, but I ran out, so I'm just using my Attitude shower gel for my bubbles. Once I'm in the bath, I will literally just close my eyes and meditate. Look at how deep cleaned my skin looks. I'm obsessed with that mask. So I'm going to be blowing my hair straight with the Leif-In Retro Blow Dryer, and when I tell you everyone needs this blow dryer, I'm not joking. It's the most incredible blow dryer I've ever used in my life. I have super long, thick hair, and this dried my hair in under 10 minutes. There's 3 temperatures: blue is cool, orange is warm, and red is hot. I'm blow drying my hair upside down just to give me extra volume, and when I say that this blow dryer literally gave me no frizz, I used it on warm and I absolutely was obsessed. Normally when I blow dry my hair, I get very frizzy, but with this blow dryer, my hair dried 50% faster. It was so lightweight to hold, like it literally feels like you're carrying a feather. Like when I tell you this is my new favorite blow dryer, it's not even a joke. So I am attaching the straight nozzle to it, and I'm just using a paddle brush just to kind of like blow dry my hair straight. It's the perfect easy style to maintain for the week. Not only is this blow dryer incredibly powerful, but it is so quiet. And with having a baby, he actually gets scared when I blow dry my hair normally, but with this blow dryer, it was fine because it's such a quiet blow dryer. It's literally incredible. I don't know how it's so powerful, but so quiet and so lightweight at the same time. It's like magic. And it actually has a really cool feature where you can switch from hot to cool in just 2 seconds by holding down the control button. I think the best part of it all is that the Leif-In blow dryer is incredibly affordable. It is so much more affordable and better performing, in my opinion, than competitive options out there. So I will leave the link down below for you guys to shop. And thank you so much to Leif-In for working with me. Can we just talk about how frizz-free and smooth that Leif-In blow dryer has my hair looking? Whenever I've used other blow dryers, I felt like my hair was always left very frizzy, but with the Leif-In, it's just so smooth and silky. The best thing you can do for your hair is ditch all of the hair oils with all of the chemicals and fillers in it and use some organic jojoba oil. It's so lightweight, it doesn't weigh down my hair, and I love it. So I am actually going to be shortening my brows and removing some of the tail of my brow. This is really going to help lift my face and just give such a nice shape to my brow. I actually love how it turned out. I do think I could have actually removed more than I did, but I was trying to be cautious. I'm going to remove more today, but I will let you guys just watch me and enjoy. Okay, I feel so good, you guys. Like, I just feel so refreshed. My hair is the most volumed I feel like it's ever been, and also the least frizzy. I normally don't always blow dry my hair because it gives a lot of frizz, but with this blow dryer, there's literally no frizz. I'm obsessed. I feel like my skin, including my body, just feels so smooth and dewy. I love that body oil that I used. My feet, got all that crust off my feet. I just feel good, you know, your girl took care of herself today. But I'm back on mommy duty because baby boy literally just woke up a few minutes ago. He's literally chilling in his crib. So I'm gonna go warm up his bottle, give him his bottle, and it's mommy duty for the rest of the day. But at least I feel good, you know, like I just feel so refreshed. And it's moments like this that really just give me my little pocket of peace. I always say when you look good, you feel good. So when you take care of yourself and you do these little self-care regimens, they matter. Even if you can only do one thing out of this whole routine that just take 5 minutes to yourself, that even that alone is worth it, you know? But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching my little self-care routine slash just me literally vlogging my self-care day or self-care little moment here. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.